Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a new assessment for a student. From the dashboard landing page, click Assessments to view existing assessments or create a new one. Click the plus button to create a new assessment, then select the assessment template you would like to use. The assessment templates available are determined by your organization's configuration. Enter a name for the assessment. Your organization may have specific naming conventions for assessment titles. If so, be sure to follow those established guidelines. Complete the assessment information. The only fields required by the system are identified with a red asterisk. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may also need to enter additional information such as the start date, end date, tags, or other required details. If necessary, you can assign the assessment to a user. If you will be completing the assessment yourself, select Assign Myself. To assign the assessment to another user, begin typing their name in the assignment field and select the appropriate user from the list that appears. The assigned user will receive an email notification and, upon logging in, will see the assessment in the Assigned to Me section of the dashboard. Next, associate the student with the assessment. Begin typing the student's name and select the correct student from the list that appears. If the student does not appear, it is possible that a student record has not yet been created. A student record must exist before it can be associated with an assessment. If desired, add one or more tags to help organize and locate the assessment later. Begin typing a tag to search for existing tags. If the tag already exists, select it from the list. To create a new tag, continue typing the desired tag and press Enter to save it. If another user should be notified when the assessment is submitted, begin typing their name in the Notify on Submission field and select them from the list that appears. Configure the permissions for the assessment. By default, permissions mirror those of the assessment creator. If additional users or groups require access, add them here before saving the assessment. Review the assessment information for accuracy. When you are finished, click Save to create the assessment. Your new assessment has now been created and will automatically open for editing. You can also access it at any time from the assessments list.